how to change color of taskbar on Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today, I'm going to show you how you can change the color of your taskbar on Windows 11 in few simple steps. So first things first, open up the settings on your Windows 11 and on the left side, you'll see personalization. Go ahead and tap on it. Now, after you tap on personalization, you'll see colors. Go ahead and tap on it. And here you'll be able to see Windows color. So if you tap on it, you can see that the taskbar color has not changed. So for this, you'll need to toggle on show accent color on start and taskbar. However, you can see that this setting is only available in Windows dark mode. So for that, you'll have to scroll up and there you can see choose your mode and just tap on the drop down and then change it to dark. So once you've changed it to dark mode, if you choose any colors and then toggle on the show accent color on start and taskbar, then you can see the taskbar color changes. So like this, you can change the color on taskbar on Windows 11. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.